This video is coming out on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and Dr. King famously let us know that he had a dream. And the question is, do you? And did you have one last night? Because both are important. And so we want to clear up anything that might stop you from both getting a good night's sleep where you have dreams, which is very good for your health, and having dreams for your life, which is important for all kinds of reasons. So, we're going to be using the process called emotional freedom techniques or tapping. Clears out stress, clears out the things that block us from feeling better, doing better, and living better. So you can find out more about that in the information in the description below. But for now, just tap where I tap and repeat back what I say. And please take full responsibility for your own well being. I choose to have a dream, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to have a dream, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to have a dream. I may choose to have lots of dreams. I choose to have dreams on a nightly basis. And I choose to clear whatever might stop that. I choose to have dreams. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself and anyone who might contribute to this issue. I choose to have dreams. I choose to have a big dream. I choose to live a dream life. I choose to have a dream job. And I choose to clear anything that might limit that. I choose to have dreams. In terms of what my life can look like, in terms of what the world can look like, and I choose to have nightly dreams because those are so important for my well being. In order to have a big dream for my life, and in order to make it true, I need my nightly dreams. I choose to get a good night's sleep. Dreams are so important for processing information. And I choose to clear whatever might stop that. Anything that might interrupt my sleep, anything that might limit my ability to dream. I'm allowing myself to process that stuff. All this fear of dreaming. Maybe I have negative associations about dreaming. When we hear that someone is a dreamer, sometimes that's meant as a compliment, and sometimes it's meant as a criticism. What was the meaning given to me as a child? If people said I was a dreamer, Did they mean it in a bad way? So maybe I've limited my ability to dream. But as they sang in South Pacific, you've got to have a dream. Because if you don't have a dream, how are you going to make a dream come true? And I choose to make dreams come true. And that starts with having dreams. I'm allowing myself to feel good about having dreams, both the sleeping kind and the waking kind. I choose to have dreams at night. I choose to have dreams about my life. I choose to have a wonderful picture of what I'm creating. And then I'm setting myself free to create it, allowing myself to have dreams, allowing myself to make dreams come true. I have what it takes, and the universe has what it takes. And I'm creating the opening for these things to happen. It's okay to have a dream, and it's okay to have dreams come true. And I'm allowing myself to feel good about that in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. And hopefully you'll allow yourself even greater freedom to have great dreams for your life, great dreams for the world, and those dreams at night that really support your health and well-being and your ability to make the other dreams come true. Please and thank you. And when stuff gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.